Hello, my name is Peter Raymer, and today we're going to look at using Postman to call Microsoft Dynamics 365 data entities. In our previous video, we looked at how you can use Postman to get an access token, and that you need that access token to make any calls into D365, whether that be you're calling a data entity or a service. So watch that previous video to learn how to get that access token. This is where we're starting from. If I rerun that request and click send, I'm going to get an access token back. That access token is going to get stored into my environment variable called access token that I can see here. And now I have a period of time where I can make a subsequent call successfully. So the first thing I want to do is click this orange button that's new up in the top left. Click request, and then I'm going to say call data entity as my name. I'll select my collection that I want to save it to, click save. I'll leave the request type as type get, and then I will paste in my URL that I want to get my data entity for. The key here is I need to use my D365 URL, then /data/ my data entity. So in this case, I'm putting /customers v2 to call the customers v2 data entity. The next thing I need to do is come to headers, and I need to add one key named authorization. Make sure that this is checked, and then type bearer, and then curly braces, access underscore token, close curly braces, and then the system, Postman, is going to replace this access token name with the value of a variable when we hit send. This saves me from having to come here and paste in the very long access token string. But I could do that as well, but using environment variables is great for that. Lastly, I can leave the body completely blank in this case, and I'll click send. And in this case, customers v2 returns a lot of customers and a lot of data, but I do get my response in the body, and I can see that my status is 200 OK. We've now just called a data entity. We can also push data to a data entity using Postman, but this is a way we could retrieve data out of D365 once we understand and tested this data entity pull. We can hand this off to a third-party integrator and give that to them to use to retrieve the data. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.